from MI Global Home. MI Global Home. Welcome to Android 12 Developer Preview Program. Android 12 Developer Preview Program provides you with all the features needed to improve the compatibility and development of your application for the next version of Android. At present, MI 11, MI 11 Ultra, MI 11i and MI 11X Pro are available for the Android 12 Developer Preview Program, which is free for developers to use. Flash the preview, build and you will be able to use it immediately. Before you begin, 1. Please don't forget to back up your data before upgrading to Android 12. Points to note: please note that the beta build is not the final version, and some features may still be under development. Here are a list of known issues you might encounter with the Android 12 beta. MI 11. 1. Users have to swipe all the way to the top to unlock the device. 2. There might be instances where the system restarts automatically. 3. Unable to use emergency calls when the screen is locked. 4. Information, such as time and battery, display bug in status bar. MI 11 Ultra. 1. Users have to swipe all the way to the top to unlock the devices. 2. The touch point in the bottom navigation bar is a bit lower than the finger position. 3. Small window may pop up when making screen off calls. 4. Information, such as time and battery, display bug in status bar. 5. Gallery may stop running when editing videos. MI 11i, MI 11X Pro. 1. Earphone icon doesn't show in status bar when earphone is inserted. 2. Unable to find TV device in cast. 3. There may be crashes after making an emergency call and checking the call records. If you would like to opt out or revert back to factory settings, you can do so through the fast boot mode. 1. Turn off the device. 2. Press the volume down button and the power button at the same time for 4 to 5 seconds to enter fast boot mode. If you have any feedback, do let us know via Android Beta Feedback app that's included in the developer preview.